Hey, hi, hello viewers, welcome back. In this video, I could like to say about Python first program. Do you know what is a Python first program? Hello World program is a first. Before knowing about the Hello World program, I could like to say something for you. When you start learning English, you have learn alphabets. When you start learning maths, you can learn numerics. Like that, when you start learning programming, you can learn Python first program, that is Hello World. Okay, in today agenda I would like to say about today topics I would like to say about Hello World program and variables. Let's start the video. Yeah, just open Anaconda Navigator and launch the Jupyter notebook. You can appear like this. At first, before telling the Python Hello World, I would like to say for you that different languages how Hello World program is used. Let first I will show how in C language how Hello World is used. C language. Then this is a method we want to use it in the C language. After that, I will show how to Hello World program is used in Java. Let's heading for this Java run. Yeah, this is a method we use it in Java. And finally, I will show you how to use the Hello World program in Python. Use print statement and put in print statement run this. Yeah, it is appear. So the output is hello world. This is the difference between the different language and Python. So in Python we use only single step, whereas in different language we use nearly two more than two steps. So Python is we can say this. So Python is very easy. And after that I will tell about the variables. What is mean by variables? Just I will put the heading up for this. Yeah. What is mean by variables? Variables. It is a name which is used to store the value. Uh, I mean the name which uses to store the values. Like I will give some examples. Whereas if a equals to 1, whereas 1 is stored in a, there is a user and sign up operator. So whereas a is a name, that 1 is stored in the a value. So I will give more than one more example for you, like in string I will give, whereas equals to 169. That's done. There is no error. You can use like this also. You can use it in string method, variable, numeric, and underscore methods like this. You can use that starting of underscore also. I will show one example for you. Underscore ohms equals to code with you. Press on this button. Yeah. See that. You can use underscore also. You can use underscore between the two words also. Like this we can use the variables. We don't want to use the variables as a keywords, numerics, and sign operators, and white spaces. So do you know what mean by white spaces? White spaces, that the distance between the two words. Like I will show you one example. Code space white space u equals to 169. It shall be error. So see, syntax, invalid syntax. There is a syntax error because variables does not contain any white spaces. It can't accept the white spaces like this. The here you have seen the white spaces between. This is a white space code between with there is a white space. No, this is a white space. Before when I am saying about basics, I don't have explain about this, so I can explain right now. What is mean by white space? What is mean by white space? White space is the distance between the space between the two words or two strings or two lists. Example, I will show in above example. Like I will show again one more example. Like so you can, there is a invalid syntax error. So there is a white space between Vamsi and ready. This is the syntax white space error. So we can use the white spaces where we want in a coding program also, but variables does not accept the white space. So, and one more thing I want to say about that, where remember that the variable names are case sensitive in Python, whereas this a is a case sensitive, where a is a case sensitive. Why I am saying like that means a, the value which we are stored in the a, we can store another way also in another letter also. I want to give example, but I don't want to elaborate this like this. Care sensitive variables names are care sensitive. That if you put a here, is a is equals to 1, and another after 3 4 cells also you put a is equals to b. But the Python consoler does not accept the if a is equals to 1 or a is equals to 3. So that the main reason here, the case sensitive. So you use the variables like normal way. Okay, I hope you can understand this. Bye bye, friends. Like, subscribe, comment. Bye, friends. Take care.